Hybrid maintenance services at your local auto repair shop could become more popular as the days and years go by. That's because both hybrid and electric vehicle sales continue to increase, thanks in part to high gas prices and the call for increased fuel efficiency. According to sales data compiled by Reuters, there were just over 800,000 new hybrid vehicles that hit the roads in the U.S. in 2021, and that doesn't count the ones Americans already owned. While hybrid and fully electric vehicles still hold a small part of the overall vehicle market, it's important to understand what hybrid maintenance is needed if you own such a vehicle. Today, we'll walk you through 5 of the top hybrid maintenance items you should never ignore if you want to keep your vehicle in great condition. Number 1. Hybrid maintenance includes regular oil changes. Hybrid vehicles do utilize electric power under certain driving speeds and conditions. However, they still have an internal combustion engine as well. That means that depending on the model and your typical driving conditions, your hybrid may require an oil change every 5,000 to 10,000 miles. Number 2. Take good care of your hybrid vehicle's battery. To get the high fuel efficiency you expect from a hybrid vehicle, you must keep its battery charged and well maintained. While hybrid batteries typically last longer than those used in gas-powered vehicles, they may still need to be replaced at around 150,000 miles. Number 3. Hybrid maintenance includes brake service. Hybrids are well known for their use of regenerative braking, where the hybrid vehicle turns forward momentum during coasting or braking into electricity that's used for recharging the battery or stopping the car. With this type of specialized braking system, it's not uncommon for hybrid brakes to last for more than 100,000 miles. That's not to say that they should be completely ignored before then, however. Be sure to have your brakes checked for safety during any routine maintenance service. Number 4. Follow good tire maintenance and replacement habits. Many hybrid vehicles on the road today are equipped with low rolling resistance tires. In fact, this is one of the keys to their ability to achieve maximum fuel efficiency. Just like any other vehicle, though, fuel economy will be impacted if your tires aren't kept at the proper pressure. Ask your mechanic or refer to the label posted inside the driver's side door to learn what the optimal tire pressure should be. And when new tires are needed, don't forget to purchase low rolling resistance tires if that's what your hybrid originally had. Number 5. Pay attention to the manufacturer recommended hybrid maintenance schedule. Anyone who's spent much time around our Tempe auto repair shop knows this. We're huge proponents of following a regular preventative maintenance schedule. In fact, that's exactly how we've been able to get so many miles out of our own personal vehicles. Although hybrid models may require service less frequently than their gas or diesel-powered counterparts, routine maintenance is still needed. From tire rotations and engine air filter replacements to oil changes, battery service, and more, refer to your owner's manual for the optimal hybrid maintenance schedule. At Good Works Auto Repair, we know that hybrid maintenance is necessary in order to keep your vehicle running smoothly, but we also know that hybrid service shouldn't be completed by just any mechanic. That's why we have expert technicians on staff with the right training, knowledge, and tools to accurately diagnose, service, and repair your vehicle. Simply give us a call or schedule an appointment online today. We look forward to providing you with reliable, affordable, and convenient hybrid maintenance and service.